Hi and welcome to our series of spoken English. We are doing greetings in a formal setting. And today we are beginning with lesson 4, task 4. Let us see what do we have in store for us. Today we are going to learn about how to ask or inquire about how people are managing their work, their job, their classes, how they are progressing with their work. If you want to ask about how someone is managing an activity, then say, how are you getting on with your new classes? Over here, the expression is getting on, or the phrasal verb is getting on. How are you getting on with your new classes? You may change this activity and use this expression or this stem anywhere that you would prefer using. How are you getting on with your new task? How are you getting on with your new lesson? How are you getting on with your job or work? Let's proceed. Some more examples. How are the children getting on with studies at school? Now, if you have met someone and you want to ask about, after asking that person about that person's health, you want to ask about how his or her children are getting on with their studies, you may use this question. How are the children getting on with the studies at school? The reply can be, they are getting on all right. They are getting on all right. How are you getting on with your studies? Or, how are you getting on with your job? Getting on very well, thanks. Let's proceed. Haven't seen you for ages. Over here, ages means for a long time. How are you getting on these days? If you're not doing well in your business or your work, you can say not too well, and you can ask the person and you. That means, how are you getting on? Let's proceed. The task which we have today, the situation is that you have met a person and you want to inquire. Inquire means ask. Ask how the person is getting on with his work. Keep the conversation flowing by asking additional questions. By now you have learned quite a few questions. Let us see how the conversation progresses. The conversation is between Miss Sultana and Miss Mariam. Let us begin with the conversation. Good morning, Miss Mariam. Good morning, Miss Sultana. How are you getting on with your classes? It is going very well, thank you. What about you? How are you getting on with your new work? Not too well. The business is down these days due to lockdown conditions. Don't worry, the lockdown is over and the business will progress now. Thank you, Miss Mariam. If you are new on my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you get the notification of the next video that I upload in this series. Thank you.